Hello learners, and welcome to our today's mathematics lesson. We continue with the unit time and speed. Time and speed. So I write here time and speed. Time and speed. In our today's lesson, we are going to learn how to convert the unit of seconds, convert seconds to minutes, seconds to minutes. Time can be converted from seconds to minutes. These two are units of time. You can measure time in seconds, you can measure time in minutes. In our last lessons we saw you can also measure time in hours. So we want to learn how to convert seconds to minutes, seconds to minutes, and we start by looking at an example. How many minutes are there in 540 seconds? How many minutes are there? How many minutes are there? How many minutes are there in 540 seconds? In 540 seconds. Answer 540 seconds. So we know 60 seconds is equivalent to 1 minute. In 1 minute there are 60 seconds. Therefore 540 seconds will be equal to 540 over 60. 540 over 60 times 1. 540 over 60 times 1. So we will divide. We divide 540 by 60. 60 goes into 540 9 times. So the answer is 9. So there are 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Okay. How many minutes are there in 540 seconds? There are 9 minutes in 40 seconds. There are 9 minutes in 40 seconds. That is example number 1. I want us to do other examples here. Learners, I want you to write down. These are the example. Example number 2. Convert the following seconds into minutes. Convert the following seconds to minutes. To minutes and seconds. To minutes and seconds. A, 2,400. These are seconds. B, 420 seconds. C, 256 seconds. And D, 920 seconds. E, 1,430 seconds. Let's work this out together. Answer. Convert the following seconds to minutes and seconds. To minutes and seconds. So part A is supposed to convert 2,400 seconds to minutes. We have said here that 60 seconds equivalent to 1 minute. Therefore, 2400 seconds will be equal to 2400 divided by 60 times 1 minute. Times 1 minute. So we come here and divide 2400 by 60. 60 cannot divide 2, 60 cannot divide 4, but 60 can divide 240. How many times? 4 times. So 4 times 60 is equal to 240. Then we have 0 here. Then we bring this 0 there. So there are 40 minutes in 2400 seconds. These are 40 minutes. 40 minutes. 40 minutes. B, 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Therefore 420 seconds will be equal to 420 over 60 times 1. 420 over 60 times 1. So we divide 420 by 60. So 60 goes into 420 7 times. 7 times 60 is equal to 420. There is no remaining time there. So the answer is 7 minutes. 7 minutes. This is correct. This is also correct. Then we move on to question C. Question C. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Therefore, 256 seconds will be equal to 256 seconds over 60 times 1 minute. Times 1 minute. So we divide 256 by 60. So 60 goes into 256 how many times? This should be around 4 times, because 60 times 4 will give us 240. This is the closest to 556, 256. So here is 4, then minus 6, this is 6, then 1. 6, then 1. So there are 4 minutes and 16. This is remainder 16. Remainder 16. These are seconds. There are 4 minutes and 16 seconds. 4 minutes and 16 seconds in 250 seconds. In 250 seconds, there are 4 minutes and 16 seconds. 4 minutes and 16 seconds. Then D, let's work out D, 920 seconds. 60 seconds is equivalent to 1 minute. Therefore 920 seconds will be equal to 920 divided by 60 times 1 minute. Times 1 minute. So we divide 920 by 60. 60 goes into 92 once. Then we have here 60, remainder 2 here, then 3 here, then we bring down this 0. So 60 goes into 320 5 times. Because 5 times 60 will be 300. Then there is remainder here of 20 seconds. So the answer here is 15 minutes and 20 seconds. 15 minutes and 20 seconds. 20 seconds is the remaining figure down here. So there are 15 minutes, exactly 15 minutes and 20 seconds in 920 seconds. 920 seconds. Learners, we are going on well. If you have any question below this video, you can post your question and I will see it, then I will answer. Then finally, learners, let's work out question E. 60 minutes, 60 seconds, 60 seconds, 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Therefore, 1,430 seconds will be equal to 1,430 seconds over 60 seconds times 1 minute. Times 1 minute, we divide here. 1,430 seconds divided by 60 here. 60 goes into 142 how many times? This is 2 times. If you multiply by 2, the closest we can get is 120. So here we have 2, then you can minus 3 minus 0 is 3, 4 minus 2 is 2, then you bring this 0 here. 60 goes into 20 how many times? It's about 3 times. 3 times, because if you multiply 3 by 60, we have 180. 180. Then we minus 13 minus 8 will give me here 50. That is 50. So the answer here is 23 minutes and 50 seconds and 50 seconds and 50 seconds and 50 seconds. 23 minutes and 50 seconds. So this is correct, this is correct, this is correct, this is correct, this one is correct, this one is correct. I've gotten everything correct. Okay, I've answered all the questions correctly. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 over 5. 5 over 5. Okay, 5 over 5. This is equal to 100%. I've answered everything correct, so 100%. 5 over 5, I've gotten everything. Okay, because if you are to convert 5 over 5 into a percent, it will be 5 over 5 times 100. So this cancels out with this, then I get 100%. 100%. So learners, this is what we are praying for you also. When you go to exams, we want you, after going through all these videos, when you to go and sit your exams, we want you to get 100%, everything correct. And that can only be possible when you exercise. You need to exercise. At the end of every lesson, I give you exercises. Even this lesson here, before we close, I'm sending you to your book, Pupils book. I want you to go to page number 97. Page number 97. We have been converting seconds to minutes. Seconds to minutes. Okay, convert the following into minutes. So I want you to go and do exercise number 87, exercise 97, exercise 97, convert the following into minutes. Go and do question 2. Question 2 has A, B, C, D, E, and F. Convert the following into minutes and seconds. I want also to go and do question 3. Convert the following into minutes and seconds. Into minutes and seconds. I've shown you how to do it there. Convert the following into minutes and seconds. Then I want you to do question 4 and question 5 and question 5. That is your assignment from your book. In case you'll have any problem answering these questions below this video, ask your question and I will help you solve the question here on the whiteboard. Bye bye and God bless you.